Dear students, today we will talk about MSc Chemistry. Today's topic is Tepnio-D'Angano rearrangement. What is this? Now we will take one example, that is primary amine. There are primary amine and this is react with HNO2. What will happen? There are formed many products. We will discuss about this reaction, about this rearrangement. Now, what is the role of HNO2? There are very good role HNO2 in reaction mechanism. There are HNO2. There will form NO plus ion. This is nitrosonium ion. It will react on this. Now, this is primary amine. It is react as an electrophile and form positive will be here. This hydrogen will remove and form this type of product. Now, this bond will shifted here and this here. So, there will be formed hydrogen will go to here. Again, H plus ion attack on this lone pair. H plus comes from HNO2, as we know that. So, here positive. Now it will be removed and form from here. Nitrogen gas will be removed. There will form cation. This is intermediate. This is intermediate product. There are many possibilities. There are many possibilities. First, SN1 reaction and second, E1 reaction. For SN1 reaction, in presence of H2O, it will form this product. And now, in presence of base, there will form cyclobutene. There are another possibilities. This bond will shift here and form 3-member ring. Now again, there are two possibilities. Two possibilities. If react with H2O, there will be formed in the presence of base, there will be formed this type of product. Now again, taken another example. It is a ring constructive. It is a ring constructive product. Ring constructive product. If there are this type of amine and react with HNO2, as we know that there will be formed nitrosonium ion. So it will react with this reaction take place. Now again, this hydrogen removed. I have been discussed previous example. In previous example, hydrogen will remove and form now again this bond shifted here and this here, hydrogen will go to here, means there will be formed now again hydrogen plus attack and form again H2O removed from air nitrogen gas, again nitrogen gas removed from air and positive charge will created on this carbon. There are also many possibilities. First, ring expansion. First, ring expansion. This bond go to here and form 5-member ring. 5-member ring such as this type. SN1 reaction H2O will add for elimination reaction in presence of base, it will form there are 5-member ring. In presence of base, double bond created. Now, from here, another possibility is possible. SN1 reaction, or SN1 reaction, water will be added. So, there will be formed this type of product. Now, in the presence of base, it will form this type of product. So students, it was Tiffany-D'Amiano reaction rearrangement. Understand? I have been uploaded PDF file in the description. Please print out or write. Okay. Best of luck.